In this challenge, you will apply the concepts acquired so far by creating a backtest on another dataset, and finally reproducing the report of the backtest with the dashboard that you see to the right, which simulates the investment strategy. Before getting to it, I would like to tell you some tricks about how to develop this exercise without copy-pasting. The titles of the exercises contain the names of the functions that you need to use. For example, we import the Yahoo Finance, we get inside the library, and then within the dot, we start typing download because it's the keyword of the title that I am asking. So we write download, and then look at the documentation because it will tell you what you need to put inside the parentheses. The first thing they ask is the tickers, which is the code for the stock that if we look for Netflix, we see that the code is here, the ticker. So we copy it, and then within the function, we paste it. We execute, and there we have the data frame from the Netflix stock over time. And there we have the data frame of the Netflix stock that represents the information of the daily prices. We save it into a variable, the f, and apply the same thinking process for the rest of the exercises. If I tell you here percentage change, you get inside the data frame, you look for change, and there you have the name of the function. Then for drop, you could apply the f dot, drop. Then moving on to computing the machine learning model, I tell you the random forest within ensemble from sklearn. So from sklearn dot ensemble, and then you import the random forest. By the time that you want to compute the strategy, you apply the same thinking process. From backtesting, import the strategy, and you have it there. You show the report in a data frame, and finally you plot the backtest report. Remember that if I tell you the name plot, it's probably because the function you need is called plot. By the time you want to put something inside the parentheses, first look at the documentation, and you will see that you can put a file name. So file name equals backtest report, for example. Remember to put HTML because that's the format of the report. And then if you go down, you have the file backtest report. You open with live server, and you will see this nice dashboard that simulates the investment strategy that you would have created. After producing this report, we have prepared the following chapter where we will tell you how to create investment strategies that take into account not if the stock will go up or down, but the numerical increase. But now it's time to focus on this challenge and complete it as best as you possibly can without copy-pasting. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to give you an answer that will help you solve these problems faster.